So in order to access to Adobe Express, we have to search for adobe.com/express. Press enter. Now we have these amazing tools. Now I'm going to click here to remove my picture background. Now it is now analyzing the picture and now it is removing the background. Now as you can see, it removed the background of this picture. Now if you click on this download button, it will ask you to sign in. So I'm going to click here to sign in. Now it will take you to this workspace. Now it is now downloading the PNG of my picture. Now I'm going to click on the save button, and now as you can see guys, now we have this PNG. Now if I open this up, as you can see, now we have this HD PNG. So we don't have any low resolution, we will get this high resolution picture. Now we can keep editing and we can also resize this, we can also customize this cutout as well. Now if you click here, as you can see guys, we have this background. So I'm going to click here, we can change the background color as well. We can also customize the color of the background. Click here in the animation, we can also add an animation like this. We can add a zoom in and we can add a zoom out. We can add a fade and we can also add this blur effect. Now we can also select this cutout, and as you can see guys, we can also customize this cutout. So we can add this to background, and now as you can see, it is now fixed to the background. We can also rotate this and now have a look. Now we can also add effect to this picture. We can also change this to gray, darken, matte. Now we can also enhance this picture as well. Now by the way, if you get any error, if your screen freeze or you have a white screen, then we can also simply refresh the page and we will get back to our project. And we can also add a blur if you want to. We can also add a color in the background. So this is how we can remove any picture background in Adobe Express.